Hi children, in last video we completed accessory duct system, right? We'll recap the accessory duct system now. Actually, accessory duct system consists of seminiferous tubule, retitestis, which is irregular cavity, vasa efferentia, it's a series of fine tubule, epididymis, storehouse of sperm, and vas deferens. These are the accessory duct system present in the male reproductive system. Shall we recall it once again? Yes. See to the picture. Each testis, see to the picture, each testis contain 200 to 250 lobules. In that, each lobule has seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubule converge and forms seminiferous tubule. See to the picture. Seminiferous tubule converge and forms tubuli rectus. Right? Straight tube is called it as tubuli rectus. Tubuli rectus convey the sperm into retitestis. Retitestis are tubular network, location posterior side of the testis. This network area. Then the sperm transfers into 10 to 12 minute duct-like structure called vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia convey the sperm into epididymis, which is the temporary storehouse of sperm, single highly coiled tube, and sperm undergoes physiological maturation. It increased motility rate and increased the nourishment here only. Yes, got it? Shall we recall it with the help of the flow chart? See to the flow chart. Testes contains 200 to 250 lobule. Each lobule has seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule convey and form tubulus recti. Tubulus recti convey the sperm into retitestis. This area, retitestis is a tubular network. Location posterior side of. This is the posterior side of the testis. Retitestis pass the sperm into vasa efferentia. This 10 to 12 tube or duct is called it as vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia convey the sperm into epididymis. This is epididymis. This is head part of the epididymis. Then this is the body part of the epididymis. Then this is the tail part of the epididymis. Right? What is epididymis? Single highly coiled tube. Temporarily, it acts as a storehouse of sperm. Sperm undergoes physiological maturation and then sperm gets increased motility rate here only and then it get increased fertility capacity here only. So, அதோட fertility capacity motility capacity எங்க அதிகமாகும்னா epididymis. Right? Sperm என்னெல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது epididymisல இருக்கும்போது physiological maturation முதிர்ச்சி அடையுது, motility நிறைய நகரக்கூடிய தன்மை கிடைக்குது, increased fertilizing capacity. ஓகே, fertility capacity எங்க அதிகமாகுதுன்னு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த epididymisல இருக்கும்பொழுது. ரைட்? epididymisக்கு அப்புறமா see after the epididymis I told you that epididymis has cap part, that is head part, body part and tail part. After the tail part, epididymis makes a duct called vasa deferens. Vas deferens joins and forms seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle forms ejaculatory duct. See the picture, this is the ejaculatory duct area. Ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct passes through the prostate gland. This is prostate gland. Passes through the prostate gland. Then opens inside the urethra. This is urethra. Right? Urethra originates from the urinary bladder. See the picture? Urethra originates from the urinary bladder. terminal portion of the male reproductive system. Urethra is actually a terminal portion of the male reproductive system oda end portion. Convey both urine as well as semen. In the urethra அப்படின்ற பார்ட்ல தான் செமனும் travel ஆகும், யூரினும் travel ஆகும், but not at the same time. During the sexual intercourse, this urethra ejaculates the semen. Right? Got it? Then the urethra opens into the penis through a external opening called urethral meatus. This is urethral meatus. Shall we recall it again? Sperm pathway அப்படின்ற path of sperm through the male body அப்படின்னு question கேட்டாங்கன்னா you have to write like this. Once again I repeat, testes. Testes contain 200 to 250 lobule. Each lobule has seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule opens inside the straight tube called tubulus rectus. Tubulus rectus convey the sperm into retitestis. Tubular network located on the posterior side of the testis. Then sperm transfer into vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. Retitestis la irundhu form ஆகக்கூடிய retitestis. See, this is retitestis. Retitestis la irundhu form ஆகக்கூடிய 10 to 12 tubule like structure is called it as vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia convey the sperm into epididymis. Epididymis la, this is the head part of the epididymis. This is the body part of the epididymis. And this one is a tail part of the epididymis. Tail part of the epididymis ku apparama da enna form agum? Vasa deferens. Don't be confused with vasa efferentia, vasa differentia. Okay, epididymis ku munnadi irukkiradhu vasa efferentia, epididymis tail ku apparama irukkiradhu vasa differentia. Right? Got it? I hope you can understand. Epididymis ku apparama enna irukku? Epididymis leads into vasa differentia. Then vasa differentia, right, opens inside the joints and forms seminal vesicle. This is seminal vesicle. See to the picture. Seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. Right? Then seminal vesicle forms ejaculatory duct. This is ejaculatory duct. This duct is called it as ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct எதுக்குள்ள run ஆகும்? Prostate gland. Then prostate gland க்கு அப்புறமா urethra. Urethra எங்கிருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்? urinary bladder ல இருந்து. Right? Urethra எதுக்குள்ள run ஆகும்? Penis. It's a capillary organ. So urethra is actually a terminal portion of the male reproductive system. It convey both urine. Urinary bladder ல இருந்து urine. அதுக்கப்புறமா இந்த vas difference ல இருந்து semen. Semen convey ஆகும். பட் ரெண்டுமே ஒரே டைம்ல கன்வே ஆகாது. Got it? Yes, I hope you can understand. Next we are going to discuss about accessory glands. என்ன accessory glandsலாம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதுல prostate gland below the urinary bladder, that is a prostate gland, single gland. Then seminal vesicle. See, paired seminal vesicle. Paired seminal vesicle. Then below the prostate gland, see the picture. Below the prostate gland, bulbourethral glands are there. P shaped ஒரு பட்டாணி வடிவத்துல குட்டியா இருக்கிறது bulbourethral gland. See the picture. This is prostate gland. This is seminal vesicle, paired 1, 2 seminal vesicles. Then bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland எங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க? இந்த prostate gland lower area, below the prostate gland, small P-shaped structure, that also paired. Yes, got it? First, in male accessory gland, we are going to discuss about paired seminal vesicle, bulbourethral or Cowper's gland and single prostate gland. First, we'll start with seminal vesicle. These are paired, tubular, coiled glands situated behind the bladder. Right? This is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle, it's actually a paired tube-like structure which is situated behind the bladder. Bladerக்கு கீழே இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். They secrete alkaline fluid called seminal plasma. Seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contain fructose sugar, ascorbic acid, prostaglandin, a coagulating enzyme called vesiculase, which enhances the sperm motility. Spermoட motility நகர தன்மையை அதிகம் பண்றது vesiculase. Important one word. Once again I repeat. Seminal vesicle secrete an alkaline fluid called seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains fructose sugar, ascorbic acid, prostaglandin, a coagulating enzyme called vesiculase. இந்த vesiculase அப்படின்ற கூடிய சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் ஸ்பெர்முக்கு நகரக்கூடிய தன்மையை நிறைய கொடுக்குது. ரைட்? செமினல் வெசிக்கல் அப்படின்றது என்னது? இந்த யூரினரி பிளேடருக்கு கீழே இருக்கக்கூடிய இதான் யூரினரி பிளேடர். இமேஜின் திஸ் இஸ் a urinary bladder. யூரினரி பிளேடருக்கு கீழே பேட் வெசிக்கல் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு, டியூப் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு. ரைட்? பிளேடருக்கு கீழே இருக்கு. இது என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா செமினல் பிளாஸ்மா அப்படின்ற ஆல்கலைன் ஃப்ளூயிடை செக்ரேட் பண்ணும். அந்த ஆல்கலைன் ஃப்ளூயிட்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கும்? ஃப்ரக்டோஸ் சுகர், ascorbic acid, prostaglandin and coagulating enzyme called vesiculase. This vesiculase only give the motility to the sperm. It enhances the motility to the sperm. Yes, got it? Next, bulbourethral gland. See the picture? Bulbourethral gland. This is bulbourethral gland. Will you be able to see? Small P-shaped like structure. Bulbourethral gland. Inferior to the prostate gland. Prostate gland க்கு கீழே சின்ன பட்டாணி வடிவத்தில் இருக்கிறது bulbourethral gland. It secretes fluid which helps in the lubrication of the penis. Penisக்கு lubrication. Intercourse timeல lubricationக்கு இந்த bulbourethral gland secrete பண்ணக்கூடிய fluid help பண்ணுது. Right? Bulbourethral gland. The two bulbourethral gland are pea-sized structure present adjacent to the urethra of the base of penis. Okay? Prostate gland க்கு கீழே base of the penisல இருக்கும். Yes, got it? Next, prostate gland. Prostate gland is a chestnut shaped. இந்த மாதிரி chestnut shaped இருக்கக்கூடியது. இந்த மாதிரி கிட்டத்தட்ட இருக்கும். Okay? Chestnut shaped gland. A collection of 30 to 40 tubulo-alveolar gland. உள்ள tubulo-alveolar part இருக்குமா? இது உங்களோட டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல இல்ல. Just for NEET purpose I am telling. It has 30 to 40 tubulo-alveolar gland. உள்ள குட்டி குட்டி tubulo-alveolar gland இருக்கும். Right? Prostate gland encircles the urethra. See the picture? This is prostate gland, single gland. இது எதை சுத்தி இருக்குன்னா யுரேத்ராவை சுத்தி இருக்கும். இது யுரேத்ரா, வெளியே prostate gland. Prostate gland encircles the urethra and is just below the urinary bladder. Urinary bladderக்கு கீழே. The urinary bladderக்கு கீழே இருக்கும். It secretes slightly acidic fluid which contains citrate, several enzymes and prostate specific antigens. Right? At the aging time, what will happen? Prostate gland get inflamed. வீக்கமடைய ஆரம்பிக்கும். அந்த கண்டிஷனை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? prostatitis. Inflammation of the prostate gland is called it as prostatitis. It occurs due to aging. Okay? Next, semen. What is semen? Semen is a milky white fluid contains sperms and the seminal plasma. Seminal plasma secreted from seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Now only we discussed, right? Axillary glands. These axillary glands secrete seminal plasma. Seminal plasma. Semen or seminal fluid, white in color. It contains seminal fluid or semen contains sperm plus seminal plasma. Seminal plasma secreted from the seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. What is the purpose of seminal fluid? Seminal fluid acts as a transport medium. It provides nutrients. It contains chemicals. These chemicals protect and activate the sperm. Sperm protect பண்றதுக்கு activate பண்றதுக்கு இந்த seminal fluid help பண்ணுது and facilitate the movement. And the sperm medium seminal fluid. Important 2 mark. Nature of semen or seminal fluid. White in color. Okay, seminal fluid or semen is the combo of sperm and seminal plasma. This seminal plasma is secreted by seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland. What is the use of seminal fluid? It acts as a transport medium. It provides nutrients. It contains chemicals. Seminal fluid contains chemicals which activates and protects the sperm and which facilitate the movement for the sperm. Yes, got it? Penis. What is penis? Penis is actually a male external genitalia. The function is a copulatory organ, an organ which involves in the reproduction. It's actually a external genitalia. It is a copulatory organ. Cylindrical, erectile, pendulous organ. How it will be? Cylindrical, erectile, pendulous organ. Suspended from the pubic region of the scrotum. Okay, here imagine scrotum bag will be there. Okay, it hang outside or front of the scrotum bag. It remains small, flaccid, but on the sexual arousal time it gets erect with the help of the special tissue called erectile tissue. When we take the section of penis, okay, when we take the section of penis, it has special tissue called corpus cavernosum. This is corpus cavernosum. Lateral side of the penile contain corpus cavernosum, and then the center of the penile part contain corpus spongiosum. So corpus spongiosum, see to the picture. This is corpus cavernosum, lateral side. The center part is called it as corpus cavernosum. Shall we recall it again? See to the picture. See to the picture. Concentrate on picture. Will you able to see the picture? See. This is corpus cavernosum. This area is corpus cavernosum. Then the middle part is called it as corpus spongiosum. This part, corpus spongiosum. So corpus spongiosum la enna run aguna urethra. Urethra enga run agum corpus spongiosum. Right? At the end of the penis, it gets swollen. That part is called it as glans penis. This part of the penis is called it as glans penis. Penis is a male urethral genitalia. It is a copulatory organ. It is made up of special tissue. The special tissue are corpus cavernosa 1, 2 and then center corpus spongiosum. Corpus spongiosum la da enna run agum urethra run agum. Urethra, right? It helps in the erection of penis. The special tissue play a vital role during the sexual arousal time. It makes the penile part to be erect. It facilitates the insemination. What is insemination? Deposition of the semen into the female vaginal tract. Okay, which makes erect the special tissue. So it facilitates insemination process. What is insemination? Deposition of semen into female vaginal tract. The enlarged end of the penis is called it as glans penis. This glans penis is covered by loose fold of skin. Loose fold of skin. The loose fold of skin is called it as foreskin or prepuce. Once again I repeat, the enlarged end of the penis is called it as glans penis. The glans penis is covered by loose fold of skin. The loose fold of skin named as foreskin or prepuce. We completed male reproductive system in this video. Next video we are going to start with female reproductive system. Thank you children.